Hi everyone, this is Miss Maths 1. Today we're going to be exploring a new problem. Be sure to drop a like, subscribe, and if you've got any questions, be sure to leave it in the comment section. Solve for x involving inequalities. We've got x to the power of 2 minus 3x is less than or equal to 0. So to start off, let's take out the common factor of x on the left hand side. So if we take out x from both of these terms, in term 1 we have x and in term 2 there's 3. And you can test it by distributing it back out. X times x is x to the power of 2, x times negative 3 is negative 3x. And this expression is less than or equal to 0. Now, with these inequalities, we need to identify the roots. So roots refer to those x-intercepts on the Cartesian plane. Alright, because this is what we call a parabola. It's a parabolic function. So let us suppose if x multiplied by x minus 3 was equal to 0. Right, we are doing this as a side note so that we can obtain the roots. When we've got two components being multiplied by one another to yield an answer of 0, either one of them can have a value of 0. Therefore, either the component x is equal to 0 or the component x minus 3 is equal to 0. Which means x is either equal to 0 or 3. Now, plotting this on a Cartesian plane, we've got 0, which is over here, the origin, and we've got 3, let's say, somewhere over here. So this is the point 0 and the point 3. Now we need to go back to the original function. And we can see that this is a graph which has a positive coefficient of x to the power of 2. When there's a positive coefficient in front of the x squared term, it means we have a happy function or a function that's of this structure. When we've got a negative coefficient in front of the x squared term, it means it's a negative or sad function like that. Now clearly the coefficient is positive, so we are going to have a happy smiley graph. Alright, and we're going to do it going through these points like that. Okay, now what you need to do, from the parabola, see where it satisfies this inequality. We need to see where is this parabola lying below or equal to 0. And clearly we can see it includes the point 0 because of the equal to sign, and it includes the point 3 because it's equal to that point as well. And it is everything that is in between, like this. Okay, now it's all about expressing this as your answer. So the answer is everything that is between and including 0 and 3. So to answer this, it will be that x, which is what we are trying to solve, is between 0 and 3. Now we can clearly see it is greater than 0, so greater than and equal to 0 because it is on the right of 0, and it would be less than or equal to 3 because it is to the left of 3. Okay, so we go about doing it by first determining the roots, plotting it on our parabola, and then expressing our inequality answer.